Continuous present tense.
Hello, my dear. How are you?
Hi, Grandma. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm so happy to hear your voice. How is school going?
It's going well. I have a lot of homework, but I enjoy learning new things.
That's good to hear. What are you doing?
I'm watching a show about animals. It's very interesting.
Oh, I like animals too. What kind of animals are they showing?
They're showing elephants right now. They're so big.
They are indeed. How is your mother? Is she still working from home?
Yes, she is. She says it's convenient, but sometimes she gets bored and lonely.
What is she doing?
Well, Mom is watering the plants in the garden. She loves taking care of them.
That's nice. She always had a green thumb.
And Dad is trimming the plants.
I see. They're very busy as always. And your brother? Is he still playing video games all day?
Well, not all day. He's also studying for his exams. He's reading a book in his room.
Nice to hear. I wish I could see you soon.
Me too, Grandma. Maybe we can visit you next weekend.
That would be wonderful. I will cook delicious meal for you.
I can't wait. You're the best cook ever, Grandma.
Thank you, dear. You're so sweet.
Hi, Sam. What are you doing here?
Hi, I'm just waiting for the bus. I'm going to the library. I have a lot of homework to do. How about you?
Oh, that sounds boring. I'm going to the park. I'm meeting some friends there.
That sounds fun. Whom are you meeting?
I'm meeting Ray and Lily. They are playing soccer right now.
Really? I didn't know they liked soccer.
Yeah, they are really good at it. They are always practicing.
Well, good for them. I'm not very good at sports. I prefer reading books.
I know. You are always reading something. What are you reading now?
I'm reading a mystery novel. It's very exciting.
What's it about?
It's about a detective who is trying to solve a murder case. He is following some clues right now.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Do you know who the killer is?
No, I don't. I'm still guessing.
Well, don't tell me. I don't like spoilers.
Don't worry. I won't. Hey, look. The bus is coming.
Yeah, it is. Well, it was nice talking to you.
You too. Have fun at the park.
Thanks. You two have fun at the library.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.